Wala ka, wala ring galaw. Have you ever tried stepping away for a few hours at pagbalik mo parang may hindi na ayos? Or do you feel like when you're not there, everything becomes slow? Yun yung napansin ni Rudy. He and his wife Mina run a dried fish wholesale and retail business. May bodega sila, regular na buyers, at team na humahawak ng inventory and deliveries. And when Rudy is around, everything moves. Inventory check, orders entered, deliveries confirmed. Pero kapag wala na siya, whether nasa market siya, nakikipag-usap sa supplier, or nagpapahinga lang, may kulang na. The team slowed down. Nagtatanong ng paulit-ulit, yung output bumabagsak. Nagtanong si Rudy sa sarili niya, do they really need me here just for the business to function? Anak, the answer is, oo. And that's a structure problem, not a people problem. When your business runs because you're physically present, hindi ka nagtatayo ng business. You build a job for yourself, and that job cannot grow. The goal of a well-run business is this. The operations ay dapat tuloy-tuloy, whether you are watching or not. How do you get there? Tatlong bagay. 1. Clear accountability. Alam ng bawat isa kung ano ang kanilang responsibility, hindi generally but specifically. Pangalawa, a documented process. Nakasulat ang mga steps, may checklist, may standard na masusundan sila. Pangatlo, a regular reporting rhythm. Ang team mo ay ang nag-a-update sa iyo on a set schedule. Hindi kailangan nandoon ka para malaman kung ano ang nangyayari. Presence-based leadership, ang tawag doon, masipag. Structure-based leadership, yun yung tinatawag na maayos. You cannot grow a business that only works when you are in the room. Kaya remember, let's be business-minded Pinoy. Hinire mo sila, tinrain mo na sila, nagtiwala ka sa kanila. Pero, bakit sila pa rin ang problema? Late deliveries, constant mistakes, walang initiative, di ba? And you end up redoing everything yourself. Kasi, mas mabilis na ikaw na lang ang gumawa. Naku anak, I get you. You are trying your best. Clear naman ang instructions mo at napakapasensyoso mong mag-explain. Pero, bakit parang wala pa rin nagbabago? The truth is that it is not because our people are lazy. It's because we don't have a system to grow them. Yan ang masakit na lesson na natutunan ko sa 40 plus years ko as a business owner. And that is why I have poured all the learnings that I have into my book, Grow Your People Pinoy. 7 steps para i-grow ang ating negosyo through our people. What if you're hiring the wrong people from the start? What if yung training mo ay hindi nag-i-stick dahil walang structure? What if they are underperforming, hindi dahil sa ayaw nila, pero because you never set clear expectations? So this book will show you how to hire people who actually fit your business, the training system that creates results at hindi excuses, how to measure performance without micromanaging, at kung kailan tayo dapat mag-reward, kailan tayo dapat mag-disiplina, and when to let go. Hindi ito generic HR advice, anak. This is a real framework from someone like me who has been there, who's made the costly mistakes so that you don't have to. Kaya invest in your growth as a business owner. Alam mo anak, your business will never grow beyond your ability to lead. So get your copy of Grow Your People Pinoy today and stop fixing people problems and start preventing them. Let's grow your business the right way, anak!